Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a wild Thursday. It's really not wild because the market is just kind of just kind of flat, not doing a lot at all. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We have Charles in the house. We got Chris. We got DB. We got Don. We got Dwayne. We got Hal. We got Jim. We got Joe. We got Make the 111 great again. We got Mo and we got Rick and we got Schwaz and Stefan. Stefan, I saw that you posted a video the other day about Tasty Trade in Canada. What's the latest?
Yeah, unfortunately, it's a no-go. They've canceled it. We've been waiting for years and years, and it's just not happening.
You are kidding me.
Yeah, it's been a nightmare, I guess, for them to try and get through our regulations. And the final nail in the coffin was they couldn't get a clearing firm that would do what they needed to do. So, yeah, unfortunately, we'll have to just stick with Interactive Brokers.
Oh, that's sad. Well, I hate that because it's been like 3 or 4 years they've been working on it, and maybe longer than that. And last we heard, this last December was probably going to be the time. And so, yeah, I saw that you posted a video about it, and I didn't watch it yet, but wow, that's sad. Oh, so
Oh, well, we'll move on.
yeah, we'll move on. But at least Tasty admitted it and didn't just lead you on, right? They said, "Hey, we're just pulling the plug."
Yeah, finally. Yeah.
Yeah, because I know so many people have been asking for that. Oh well. Well, anyway, look at the market. It's down 16 points on the NQ, really done nothing burger, and up 3 points on the E minis. VIX is at 18.26. AD is negative, negative 27. However, AD has gone down and now it's scooping back up ever so slightly. Let's see, we are below on NASDAQ the overnight high. What is this? I wanted to say that's the cash open, but I don't think that's the cash open. I don't know, maybe the cash open. And we're above VWAP. We're above VWAP on here, and we're above the hourly midband. And look at that little area right there. That was a really good thing. I have not scalped today, but I did share a video. Let's see, in our little thing here that you guys may want to watch. Sent to me by my friend who scalps all the time. This dude from SMB Capital. I made millions scalping. So I thought y'all ought to see that since we've been doing a lot of things on scalping, and we probably will have a scalping session tomorrow. Look for maybe around 10:30 Eastern time that we'll have a scalping session together. I think that'll be great. So yeah, let's see what our volume profile looks like. So our volume profile looks like just like it did yesterday, a little bit oversold here. But remember, we had that gap yesterday. Look at this. That gap filled in. So this looks like it wants to go up. Look at there. We pinned right off of that. What is that? That's the 50 period moving average. It just pinned right off of that, didn't it? Which is also close to our 100 or 200% level there. So let's see what the NASDAQ looks like. NASDAQ is fairly priced. Well, actually, it's a little bit not fairly. It depends on where our line is there. We had to duplicate that. But it's right at the point of being oversold. And look at there, it pinned right off of its 50 period moving average well. Isn't that weird? That is weird how that does that. Very, very cool. So it wants up. Let's look at our linear regression. Linear regression is right on the bubble of our trend line that we drew there. So let's see if we're able to hold that on the daily chart there. So it was down, 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 tear, 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 tear. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. So, we go through these periods We think everything's all right. And then I have noticed that, and Ed posted something yesterday. I think it was talking about it, maybe liquidity is drying up a little bit. I did notice that Trump lately has not been talking tariffs as much. It's almost as though, he's got a very big ego and he does not want on his watch the market to drop. He can say he doesn't care about it and all this kind of stuff, but we know differently. So he does care. So I think you'll hear less and less about the tariffs. Now, interestingly enough, I think what's going to happen is that we're probably just going to hang out until April 2nd, which is what he's calling what American Liberation Day or whatever. So God only knows what's going to happen on April 2nd. But so far, we're recovering a little bit, which is good. Because I think this is all overdone. I think this is all overdone. Let's look at our little chart here of MNQ. This is the 1 minute. And this is that crazy little indicator, the Bravo indicator. And let's put this on a 5 minute. Okay. It's hard to tell if these would have been successful or not on the 5 minute. Let's kind of open it up like this and see. See, now we've got a buy signal on the 5 minutes. That's interesting to me. I just like watching that. And another thing that I've watched is this. Let's see, which is this? Yeah, I like watching this. This is my favorite chart. Watching the NQ or the MNQ, 15 second when I'm scalping, and the 1 minute and the 5 minute. And I'm really liking this right here, the CCI. It's really a good place to enter. I found out when this thing is just crossing the zero line, the CCI, the Commodity Channel Index. So I've been using it more and more. Yesterday I was successful. I did, let's say, the thing is, remember when I had this dry socket on Friday? I lost like $8,000 scalping. Now, don't worry about it because it was play money, but I knew I should not have been in the money. Since then, I made like 500 the last couple of days, 500 yesterday, 500 the day before, just getting back into it a little bit. So, having a wonderful time playing with that. Okay, let's go over here. This is not right. We're not down 2,300 today. Uh, I bet if I were to sign in, that would do it because there's no way that we're down that much today. This probably is close to our net lick today, but still all the accounts positive for the year, even though the one that we do here is a little tricked out a little bit. So let's see what we got here. We got TQQQ, we got 541 shares. We've got a covered call that is up 35%. We've got a short put, covered put. It was a covered strangle, actually, we would call it. It's up 17%, even though it lost $285 today. So that's good. Let's see how our little 111 is as we're trying to make the 111 great again. It is up what 29%. So we're looking for 50% profit on that one as we add more 111s. So that looks pretty good. And then we'll have 4 complete put debit spreads paid off. So I think everything looks really, really good. So I think what we'll see here is just really consolidation until April 2nd. That's my prediction. Consolidation until April 2nd. I don't think there's anything big to see. All right, let's see. What did y'all say here? Can you record it? Yeah, I will record it tomorrow, Schwaz. I sure will. So let's plan on 10:30 in the morning Eastern time having a live scalping session, and I will open that up to everybody in Discord tomorrow. So we'll have that to look forward to. All right, guys, I love you to pieces. Hope you have a great day. I will see y'all tomorrow.